Oh, it's going to take a long time for your reps to do that? Great concern. Let me show you. Now, if I had to go in and do these one at a time, that's going to take a while. If I have a big pipeline that I'm working, that seems like a lot of work. Well, we've addressed that concern in what we call mass personalization. So in here, within Enthusiasm, you could run mailer templates where you know you're running a campaign for, let's say, recruiting. Hey, I want to get in front of these likely candidates for a new open position I have, or for general prospecting, or maybe a remarketing effort when someone's gone dark on you. So what you can do, if I go back here, I just go to Tools. If I go over to Mailer Templates, and I can see here, here's a couple of different plays that I personally have in here. A recruiting play, a retouch play, or a prospecting play. Let me just show you what this looks like. So I have my actual template, the message in here, whatever the design is. I'm going to hit send. Okay? Now what this is going to do is programmatically go out, take a picture, in this particular play, take a picture of a URL that's associated with that contact and put an overlay over it so it looks personal without me having to go in and do these one at a time. I could select my list that I want to mail to for this particular batch. Let's just say it's B2B contacts, mail entire group. So there's 10 people in this group. I've got my message here. Hey, I just came across you guys over my morning coffee. Go to this website above and enter the access code for a personal message. It's actually going to go out, grab the screenshots of their websites, bring that into a personal image that you're going to see in a minute. I've already pre-recorded a video for that saying, hey, I just went over my coffee this morning. I saw your guys' website. I think there might be something for us to talk about here. Use the form below, schedule a time to talk, whatever you want to say. When I go to hit send, in here, you're going to see this actually programmatically going out to these websites and pulling these images. I go to review batch. In this batch, you can see there's 10 pending. If I just hit refresh, you're going to see it actually pulling in the images for me. Takes a minute because it's here we go. So here's Aileen Hispanic Magazine, Alyssa Kiwi print. So in here, this is actually the overlay. This is the image that's the variable. It's me pointing at the screen and then pointing at the recipient, right? And you'll see every single one is different. If something's off, I could go in and edit that one at a time. I could go back, I could cancel a card if I want. And you see it's still working, grabbing individual images for me. Pretty cool, right? Other plays that this could be used for, just to show you really quick. I'm gonna go back to my mailer templates. Let's just see what this recruiting looks like. Hit send. I can go in, grab a list of potential employees or new hires. I'm going to select that list, mail entire group, and let's see what these look like. Again, hitting send, it's going to go out and programmatically pull all those images. Refreshing this page, you're going to see what we've done is taken LinkedIn profiles and made it look like it's on a new employee badge, and it's done mass personal, still looks like it's one at a time. Here you can see, your company logo there, of course a guy in a bow tie, and his name there. All different. And there's a lot of different applications for this, whether that's recruiting, a retouch effort, cold prospecting, a follow-up from a trade show. This is how you get 10 to 10 million cards out in the click of a button. And again, my video for this would just be an HR manager talking about, hey, I just came across your resume. I think I have an incredible opportunity for you. Use the form below and schedule time to come in for an interview. If you have any questions about the position, use the message field below to ask me that question. It's a communication tool. When there's not next steps defined, that's where you want this